Hello friends! So today I've brought you a truly beautiful and colorful design. Today you will see a color-filled house that is one of a kind. In this design, you'll witness a color combination so perfect that not everyone can easily select it. This is a magic of colors where pale mint marble walls, merged with soft yellow accents, are creating a regal beauty. There is a grand entrance with glass doors, where kaleidoscopic light is pouring in. It's like a shower of colors. You'll see the sparkle of Tiffany Blue crystal chandeliers, and how hot pink framed mirrors are shining with vibrant energy. Everything has a special glow. An elegant staircase with mint railings and yellow gold steps is showcasing a brand new splendor. Friends, this is a sight that will make you feel as if you have entered a king's vibrant and fantastical paradise. This isn't just a design. It's a cinematic 8K photo that will mesmerize you with its whimsical and enchanting aura. Aim to keep showing you these kinds of excellent color combinations. If you like these designs, if you want ideas that you can apply to your own homes, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's for you to get ideas, choose such beautiful colors, and apply them to your homes. These aren't just for big houses. These same colors can look absolutely beautiful in smaller homes too. We have brought these very beautiful and magical colors just for you,